The worst possible scenario would be maybe 50% hair coming back, but that was better than what I had. The benefits absolutely outweighed the cost. My name is Michael. I'm from Southern Indiana. I'm an elementary school teacher. I had been trying for quite some time researching on different techniques to get my hair back because I had lost it quite a bit over the past 10 years. I've just noticed a gradual thinning of my hair, and it had gotten to the point where I couldn't even fix it the way I wanted to fix it anymore. We almost had to go Mohawk style for a while, and my wife was fixing it for me. It kind of gets your morale down a little bit and makes you feel a little older. My initial consultation was with Will. We had a virtual consultation. I was at home, and my wife sat in on that as well. I showed Will a few pictures of me from maybe 15 or 20 years ago, and I said, Will, I would just love to even be half like this again. And Will said, look, I think we can get you back close to exactly what those pictures look like, and that kind of blew me away. We sat there and discussed after we got off the consultation with Will. My wife and I discussed it, and we just said, you know what? It's worth it, let's go for it, and we started the journey from there. After I had my initial consultation, I came up here in March of 2023, and Will took me in and looked at my hair follicles, and we took pictures, and we went over the whole process, and he kind of drew the lines on where he thought the hairline should be. It was decided at that time in March that like June 6th, we would go ahead with the procedure. It's a double-edged sword because you don't know about going through the procedure, but on the other hand, you're excited because, hey, this is going to change my life. So yes, that in-person consultation was very important. My wife came with me, and the whole time, I was nervous because I'd never had any medical procedure done to me. And so I came up a little nervous, but when they brought me back into the back room office, all the staff here at We Grow Hair Indy just made me feel comfortable, and they calmed me down, and they said everything's going to be all right. And the doctor came in and he did all the measurements. It was such a precise thing. I didn't even know it was that precise. And he redrew a different hairline a little bit, and he was ready to go. It took maybe 5 hours for the procedure to go, but it felt like it was like 45 minutes. I mean, it felt like I was in and out. That whole day was just an amazing experience. I was very, very impressed with their professionalism. Where I teach in Southern Indiana, we actually start back in school near the end of July, like July 26th. So I had my procedure done on June 6th. So the worry was, obviously, when you're teaching elementary school in 5th grade, that I'm going to be going back with no hair, and even the hair I had was a little something. I would say by about July 15th or 16th, I was able to actually comb my hair back a little bit. I had enough hair up there where it was noticeable, and so I would say maybe 50 days after the procedure, I started seeing some difference.